Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check this out. This box in front of me represents the future, and it's a pretty darn cool future. I chose to film this in front of this old 66 Beetle that I have here, and I just felt like it was a good contrast. Now, I've had mopeds before. Here's my old Tomos that I had, and of course I had some other ones over the years. But this is the DYU C1 electric bike, and these things, from what I understand, are pretty awesome. I've been watching Prepper Princess. She does a bunch of these videos on these trikes, so I had to try one out. I just had to. Anyway, I've got this. I'm going to get it out of the box. I'm not going to film that. We're going to get it out. We're going to take it for a spin and see how it looks, and we'll go from there. Let's do it. Well, here it is, and I'll get it off the camera here in a second and show you around it here. But this is what it looks like all assembled. Assembly-wise, not a big deal at all. It does have a cool little headlight up here. Now all your controls and stuff are easily laid out. Disc brakes, front and rear, that was kind of cool. And of course it's like a 7-speed transmission for shifting through the gears as you bike. And then the electric assist, they say it tops off at 20. We're gonna take it out. In fact, I'm gonna get the drone out and we'll follow me around with the drone here tomorrow. Today it's getting too late in the day to do it. You can probably also hear the wind, so I'm sorry about that. But let's get it over by the garage. I'll go through everything. Now, it does need to be charged. Another reason why I won't be driving it tonight, but I like it. So the seat height is adjustable, handlebars adjustable. Assembly wasn't too bad. There's a key right here that lifts off the lithium battery if you want to charge it inside overnight or whatever. And no tail light, but it does have the headlight, so pretty cool. Also even has a VIN number stamped into it. So pretty cool if you know, somebody swiped it from you or whatnot. At least there's hope of getting it back. All right, well, here we are. We took it out to a nice church parking lot here, and I'm gonna give it a try. A little nervous, haven't ridden a bike in like 30 years, so this should be fun. Throttles here, and it has 3 different modes, Econ, Power, and Sport. Not sure what the differences are, but for the sake of not getting killed, I'm gonna try Econ mode here, so we're gonna see, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's do it. Nice. I gotta say, this thing's pretty awesome. I haven't ridden a bike, so I used to have a moped. This is about as close to a moped, but no smells and no noises, so that's kind of cool. That's pretty cool, I gotta say. That's pretty awesome. All right, let's take it around a little bit more and we'll wrap this video up. Super fun. I had a good time on this thing. So I don't know if I went over all the features and functions here, but over here we have our power button. Hold that long pressed and we come up here. The next button over here is the mode. It starts off automatically on Econ, then there's drive, and then there's sport. For me driving around, between drive and sport, it didn't seem to have much of a difference, but I think that sport gives you a higher speed. But like I said, for me, it didn't really seem to be that much of a difference. But Econ, you can definitely tell on the hills. You put it in drive, you got a little more power there, so that's definitely there. It does have a light. So that's kind of cool if you were going to ride it home at night. It does have a bell. There's your horn. And of course brakes on both sides. Now for the mechanical portion of all this, you do have, or this is our electric throttle, and you can see it trying to take off from me. This lever here changes through the manual gears. So if you want to pedal this thing, it's a very conventional setup bike. You can see our transmission there for the different gear ratios. And I pedaled a little bit. I didn't pedal on screen, but I pushed it around, tried to go up some steeper hills, and it definitely is assisted. So going up really steep hills, yeah, you're gonna need to assist with the pedal, but it's not going to be the kind of workout you would get with, you know, a regular bike for sure. Something that I can certainly do. So that's it. It's the DYU. This thing is kind of a surprise in my book. I've heard of electric bikes. I never owned one, obviously, but I'm looking forward to owning more of these now that I've had a chance to play with this thing. Definitely something that I would recommend for teenagers, kids, and adults who want to just explore, but don't want to put in too much effort. It's just a little effort. Till next time, my friends, take care.